Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unhide like count on Threads post. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open up the Threads app. Now go to your profile page in the bottom right corner. Here you can see your Threads post. Click on the menu option of the post. Here you can see the options who can reply, unhide like count and delete. Now you'll have to click on unhide like count option. And that is how you can easily unhide like count on Threads post. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.